fun video today. We're going to be changing out the OEM air intake for the Injen air intake, which is supposed to be a 30 horsepower gain. We'll see if that's actually true or not. So let's begin. Alright, this is not too hard of a process. Step one, I've already done this. It's just two of these plastic clips right here, taken straight out. You're going to save the pins later. Not that though. Next, we are just going to disconnect our sensor. Third, we are going to loosen right here. And right here, we're going to remove the sound tube that nobody likes. Comes out right here. You are going to remove the bracket next. And last but not least, there's one more 10mm bolt right here. You can see that it is out now. I did not know that they come with a cover to cover up your sound generator, so it's not annoying anymore. This is what it looks like taken out. Your next step is to, where did it come off right here? To remove your sensor, which I have already taken off. It is right here. It's not going to focus for me. Right here. This is the new box. All I've done so far is put the OEM bracket back on with the bolt they supply you with. It's not going to focus again, thanks. And with the other 10mm bolt in. This is just the bottom of the new box. A few steps just because I don't have more than two hands, but here we go. This is our air intake. This is our box and the connector. This is just three different pieces. It only took 5 minutes to get together. Like I said, the only hard part is going to be those two bolts, the 10mm and the bracket right here. And all we're going to do with this is going to go straight in. And we'll get this all connected right back up. Long story short, bolts tightened, clamps tightened, MAV sensor back in, connected, tightened. Put those back, I forgot about that. Alright, all that's left is to put the air duct. There we go, everyone, finally installed. Got the box, got everything installed, nothing's moving. Now we will go see if we really have an extra 30 horsepower.